Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial, we had a bit introduction about React Three.js Fiber. So let's go on and try to set up a development environment for React Three.js Fiber. First of all, what we have to do here is we have to use an IDE for the program. As per the documentation, Visual Code is mentioned also here. You can use up to your own choice of IDE, but I'll recommend you to go on with Visual Code because of a lot of rich features and rich ecosystem of Visual Code. You will be able to deal with a lot of problems very easily. So for the installation of Visual Code, you have to go on to this link code.visualcode.com/download. You can choose according to your system. I'm using Mac. I had downloaded it for Mac. You can use it for Windows, for anyone. As soon as you will download for the Mac, simply this kind of zip folder will appear. Double click on that, the app will appear on this. Simply double click on that, open, your Visual Code will be opened, or you can move this to your application folder as well, and then you can open your Visual Code and start working with that. In case of Windows, once you will click on the download, there will be an exe file will be there. Once you will click on that, you have to install that one. Simply click next and install that one. It's really easy, not a big deal. And secondly, what you have to do here is you have to have Node.js environment, because React.js is what? It's actually a framework on top of Node.js to handle front-end environment. So we always need Node.js to run React.js projects or to run the servers. So we have to install Node.js. If Node.js is not installed in your PC, simply go to nodejs.org/en/download, or you can change your language according to your region as well. Simply from here, you can choose your operating system. In my case, it's Mac OS, so I will download it for Mac OS. You can download it for Windows as well, or any operating system you have it. You can just simply select, click, it will be downloaded. I had downloaded it already for you. You can go on here, this kind of package will appear in terms of Mac. Simply click continue, agree, and install. It will install for you. Installation summary you can see, and simply I'll not go on with that because it's already installed in my machine. So for lastly, if you are working with some sort of project, you will be needing GitHub as well to push your code to GitHub or to save a copy of your code in the GitHub. So for the installation of the GitHub, what you have to do here is you have to go to git-scm.com/downloads, and this is for Mac. You can choose simply, if you can go to downloads, you can choose for Mac, Windows, or Linux. In my terms, it's Mac. Just click on Mac, brew install git. From the terminal, you have to give this command. In case you don't have brew installed, just go to homebrew, brew.sh, and simply copy this command from here and put it in your terminal. Your brew will be installed within a couple of seconds. Once your brew is installed, you can install brew install git, and you can check all these things. So how you can check in all these things? When I am here in my terminal, you have to just simply there .node -v. It will give you the version of your Node.js, version 19.9.0. If I'll come back to my documentation, there something mentioned is your version. Your version should be equal or higher than 18.0.0. Make sure whenever you are going to work with React Three.js Fiber, your Node.js version will be 18.0.0 or higher. If I will check npm version, that will be 8.0.0 or higher. In my case, npm -v, if I will check, it's 9.6.3. If I will check my npx version, npx -v, you guys can see 9.6.3, similar to npm. If I will check git ---- version, I can check my GitHub version also, it's 2.47.0. Okay, so this is very basic, very easy how you can set up the environment, or how you can install the basic softwares or basic programming softwares that you need for the development of React.js or React.js projects with Three.js Fiber or Three.js. So I hope you guys understand it. In case of any question, any query, or you are facing any error, you can comment us. You can reach us to our mailbox as well. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Until then, take care and goodbye.